What is up, YouTube? This is Owen Dowell here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of what I got myself for Christmas. Yep, so as y'all saw, my earlier Christmas present to myself was a G-Shock DWB5600 that I ordered on accident. I thought it was a GWB, but it turned out to be a DWB. That's going to go out to ZippoFanatic probably tomorrow, actually, at least in terms of filming this video. I'm planning to get it out to him tomorrow. But this is what I got myself for Christmas. Now, I'm cheating a little bit, not necessarily because I'm impatient, but because somebody else is impatient. It's not quite Christmas yet. It is December 17th. We're opening this today, but you'll be seeing this video a little bit after Christmas. You'll be seeing this probably the day after Christmas or maybe 27th, I don't know. But I'm opening it a little bit before Christmas because joining me in this fine video is none other than
Oh, is that supposed to be my cue?
That's supposed to be your cue, bro. What do you
you said give it some time. I thought you were going to do a little introduction.
I did my introduction. You had time to deal with everything.
I thought it was going to be a bigger introduction.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
I thought you were going to open the watch first.
Oh, no, dude. You're here to experience this with us.
I didn't realize that. I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
You went over this.
Bruh, you know what? It's all good. It's all good. Also, hi. I'm sorry. I completely forgot about my face cam. I'm recording my face. I'm trying the 2-camera view here. I haven't even looked at the face cam yet. I'm trying to get my reaction because obviously this is a Christmas present. I want to make sure that I get my overall thoughts and opinions and views and whatnot. And we have ZippoFanatic joining on the MacBook Pro. And luckily, hopefully you'll be able to hear him well because of the microphones that I unboxed a couple days ago. I'll have that video linked in the description for this microphone right here, which that might not be the best showing because it was tucked into my shirt.
Very nice chest, Owen. Very nice.
Yeah. If you want to see the review of these microphones, click on the video card up there and there. I can't reach, and you'll be able to see. All right. So yeah, like I say, let's go ahead and open this. Like I say, let's get into this thing. Let's see this thing for the first time. Get my overall first impressions. You can see I'm cutting into the Casio box. This is the box from Casio themselves, and you know what? I just spoiled it. I was trying to keep it a mystery, but yes, this is a Casio. My Christmas gift to myself is indeed a Casio. But it could be anything. That could mean anything. This could be a calculator. This could be a Casio Cassiopeia. This could be the cool Epidemis skin camera that they sell. Who knows what it is, man? Casio makes a lot of things. All right, here we are. So let's get this out of the way. That's my receipt. We will not be taking a look at that on video. And first of all, we get a G-Shock tote bag. Check that out. That is super interesting.
Yeah, that's a nice bag. I didn't know you were going to get that.
A little G-Shock tote. I didn't know I was going to get this either. I will say, in case you're wondering, and also here it is for those of you watching on the face cam, which is all of you because I'm editing this video and I'm going to make sure you see me on the face cam. I did order, sorry, that was weirdly aggressive. I did order the gift pack wrapping thingy. So this is probably like them thinking, hey, if he's going to give this as a gift, take the G-Shock box, drop it in the bag, and bang, that's going to go in the stocking right there. You know what I mean? I think that's kind of what they were thinking. They're thinking you can wrap it yourself. I thought they were going to wrap it, but you know what? I guess you can't have everything with Casio. Okay, you can have a lot of things. Just not.
I'd rather have the bag anyway.
You can't have that. You can't have them put it in the bag. Also, you'll notice we have another box here. This particular G-Shock came with a promotional item, and then the rest of the box, as you can see, my man, is empty. Yeet that over there. This is actually a little freebie I got with it. This is a G-Shock Toyo toolbox. Actually, check that out. It's not a Casio branded thing. Look at that. I thought it'd be.
Oh, really? It's not Casio.
It's not a Casio thing. It's really not a Casio thing. I thought it would be. By the way, in case you're wondering, the face cam is not what ZippoFanatic sees. He is actually on a different camera angle. He's watching on my MacBook's preview. I came to find out during my iPhone 16 unboxing that the MacBook Pro is a terrible second camera, so I'm never doing that again. Anyway, let's go ahead, get this stuff out of the way. It is heavy, like there might be something in it.
Does it say Casio on the lid?
Yeah, it has a G-Shock logo, actually. Check that out.
Oh, okay. All right.
It does have the G-Shock logo. You might be able to see. Here, it might be easier to see in this view. It also, it smells like, it smells awful. Huh. It actually smells like putrid. Whew. I don't know, man. That smells pretty bad. But it is cool. See that?
Yeah, so there's no actual tools in it?
No tools. It is an empty thing. It only came with this foam.
Man, it doesn't even have a thing for you to put the watches in?
No. See, that was what I was thinking.
Oh my god.
That's weird. You know what, Casio? It would have been really cool if you made a specific cutout foam insert for the Casio G. I actually, you know what? I have a G-Shock right here. Check this out. This is my GBM2100 that is upside down, and now it's correct. I think if you... Yeah, you literally could have just, I think I'll package them like this. And this is basically the exact same watch that I can't go into too many details on that one. As you can see, you know, you can tighten it up like that, make a little foam cutout. Pretty cheap, pretty cheap. I'm surprised and disappointed, but you know what? It is what it is.
That's why they didn't show any other pictures of it on their website. Because if it was a good case that you could actually keep watches in, they'd show you with the lid open.
Exactly.
Like that.
And you know what they actually could have?
Mr. G, they gave you that super nice case.
In fact, Casio, check this out. Okay, so I have this, right? Take that. You can put one watch there. You have so much room here. You could actually put two G-Shocks in this case if you made the proper... If you made the proper foam cutout for it. You could actually make a foam cutout for the watch that I bought, and then you could actually have a spare foam cutout for another watch, and it could sit upright. Actually, yeah, it could sit upright like this.
Yeah, that's how you do it. And so when you open the box, you can see the face of them.
Yeah, that would be super sick.
I thought that's what it was going to be. Like $25 for this stupid toolbox.
I mean, I think it's neat. I'll figure out a use for it somehow. I do need a little thing to organize some stuff, so I'll probably find a way to put some stuff in here, but I was kind of hoping that this would have like a foam insert or like a pluck foam or something, just so I could store something in here. But yeah, there it is. It is, I gotta say, like, it's heavy. It feels high quality. Like, this is a very solid thing. It
yeah,
just,
you know what I was thinking, Owen?
It just smells
You're going to be able to keep
horrible.
all the straps and watch tools I send you anyways.
This is true. Oh, spoiler alert, spoiler alert. Maybe getting a little something from ZippoFanatic there. I do have to say though, this thing, it smells really bad. Sheesh. It does not smell good at all.
It's the coating they put on it so the paint doesn't rust.
It's definitely an industrial coating smell. It definitely is an industrial coating smell. You are absolutely right, my dude. Okay, let me clear the area, because now we've got the star of the show. We have our G-Shock that is haloed by the ring light. I do apologize for that. By the way, guys, let me know what you think of the ring light. Hopefully, I don't really use it for like bigger products, but for watches specifically, I think it's appropriate. I have decided actually to go ahead and zoom you guys in a little bit, just so that way the ring light is a little bit less distracting. Okay, let me go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Let's see what we got. All right, so here we've got our documentation, our little pamphlet. Uh-oh. Is that a spoiler? Don't look at it. Don't look at it. All right. Ooh, we get a fancy tin. Okay. Okay. Check that out. Check that out. It's tall. Do you see that, ZippoFanatic?
Yeah, I see that.
And look at the top.
And it's a completely flat color, too.
It's a completely flat color. It's actually got this like brushed design on it, which looks really good. In fact, it looks like a G-Shock. They actually have it looking like kind of like a G-Shock bezel, not exactly. It would be cool actually if they did Casio G-Shock, but it is what it is, baby. Let's go ahead and crack this puppy open. Okay, we got even more paperwork. There it is. Look at it go. Look at it go. It's waking up. Ooh, baby, baby, baby. Okay, it does need to be adjusted, as you can see. It does need to be adjusted. It's not quite that time. Let's go ahead and take this thing out. Ooh, it's heavy. It's heavy indeed. It comes with coarser foam. The foam is like coarser than...
Oh, in there, it's a more dense foam too.
It's like a little bit coarser, a little bit rougher. But obviously this bag here, we have... There it is. And look, it comes with a face wrap. Let's take that off, which is not something that you see on the resin Casios. You don't typically see that on resin Casios. You don't typically see the face wrap. Here, here. I'm gonna hold this up to my. Wait. Nope. We got an ASMR moment here. Got an ASMR moment here. I hope that sounded cool. Carry on, my man.
I noticed the last 2 unboxing videos you did, your G-Shocks came in little white bags. None of my G-Shocks I ever bought came in white bags like that.
Actually, you know what? You say that. This is a kind of a smoke-colored bag. Look at that. It's kind of smoky. You see that? Or is it? Yeah. It's probably like completely blown out for you because you have the backlight. Interesting. Guys, here it is. This is a GMB2100. It's exactly like the GAB2100, but it comes with the metal element of the bezel. And like I say, it's literally the exact same thing. It's got the exact same UI. Ooh, that sounded loud. It's got the exact same UI. It's got the exact same functions. It does have the negative display, which I'm not the hugest fan of. But you know what? For this cool green color, I think it works pretty well. I actually think it works pretty well. There's the back. And as you can see, it does have silicone straps. It's kind of a weird hybrid. And it does indeed have Bluetooth and tough solar, exactly like this one does. Damn, that's loud. I feel like I'm breaking things left, front, and center. All right, so let's go ahead and take this one off. By the way, if you're interested in this, I have a video on it. Probably showing up on the left corner or on the right corner. And let's put this one on. Okay, so the silicone on this one, my man, is a little bit tougher than typical G-Shock silicone. This is actually a completely different material than what I'm used to.
Oh, really?
It's a completely different material. I actually, you know, I wish I still had your GWB because I wonder how it compares to that. I'm ripping this Bluetooth thing off. I'm keeping this. I ripped the Bluetooth thing off so I can...
Yeah, good.
Yeah, no, this is my baby. This is my baby. Yeah. There it is. That's it on the wrist. Check that out. That looks really... Oh, my gosh. And, guys, I have a thing for green watches specifically. So when I saw this one on Casio's website, that's what drew me to it. Let's go ahead and get this hands out of the way. I'm not even using my face cam. I apologize. I'm like looking at my phone. Dude, the lights are crazy.
What?
The lights are crazy. I swear there's more of them. Hold on. Let me say that again. Come on, hurry up. Get out of the way. Oh, wait, no, never mind. I think it's just because it's so shiny. Actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and let me kill the ring light, and we can see what this looks like glowing in the dark, because I think it should be pretty well charged.
Yeah, it's got extra lumen. It's got it on the hour indicators and everything. It's such a cool
Yo, watch. Check that out. You can see that, right?
G-Shock should have that.
Actually, I have a UV light. Let me go get my UV light. I'll be right back. Okay. All right, so as you can see, if I... Actually, let me make this just a little bit wider. Yeah, you can actually see all the hour hands have lume on them, which is not something you would expect from a G-Shock, because check this out. My regular GWB, wow, what happened to the frame rate? Hopefully that didn't affect the frame rate too bad. I don't know what's going on. It looks like the frame rate completely changed. It's probably fine. I wonder if my phone's getting hot. So check this out. If I take my UV light here and shine on my GAB2100, you'll see that we don't have that much lume. Not that much at all. But this GAB, oh my God, that thing lights up like a Christmas tree. Woo! And bro, you're not going to get to see this until I release the video. I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
This is crazy. Wow. Look at that. All right, you know what? I'll show you. Check it out.
Man, that looks so nice.
Isn't that sick?
But like, that's how they all should be. That's not even fair.
I know. That is really, truly. This is how they all should be. They should all light up like that much. You can't really see it on the face cam anymore.
You didn't notice too, like all the hour indicators have like small engravings on them, little designs on them.
They really. Oh yeah, they do. I'll get a close up of that for B-roll.
And the dial has nice all engraved designs on the dial. Like, what a beautiful watch.
It's such a beautiful watch. So let me go ahead and take off the tag here because, baby, this is mine. I'm keeping this thing. All right, you guys. We're not going to talk about that. Anyway, I think that's going to do it, at least for this video. Just a really quick unboxing and kind of showcase of the GBM2100. I'll have more specific model number details and whatnot in the title and in the thumbnail, so you can check that out there if you want to see them. But yeah, check that out. That looks really cool. In fact, I believe if I do the 5X, I can get some super cool macro shots. Oh my goodness me. Look at that.
Yeah, that thing's a gem, man. Really nice design on that. I love that watch.
My guy, you got to get one of these.
Yeah, I want that blue one bad.
Get the blue. Get the blue, get the orange, and get the green. I don't remember the other color, actually. Is it orange?
Yeah, it's orange. Yeah, there's orange, blue, and green.
Get them all. Get them all. Seriously, hold my word.
And there's a black dial, too.
Oh, that's the other one, the black dial. Ooh, look at my messy table. Check that out, guys. That's really cool. All right, you know what? I think that's going to do it for this particular video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. No pun intended. And say it.
Take care, everyone.
Or adios. But you know what? He can do his own thing.
Sorry.
He can do his own thing. Yeah, whatever.
I didn't. We didn't plan that.
We really didn't plan that.
We kind of just started rolling.
But he will remember that next time.
Yeah.
He better.
I will. Oh, definitely.
Or else
How could I forget that?
Or else he's fired. He's no longer my assistant. All right. See you guys later.
It doesn't pay well.
No, it does not, man. I don't make anything. I don't have anything to pay you. Oh, my God. All right. You know what? Check it out. See? You can fit in there.
9 G-Shocks.
And in there. All right, you guys. Adios.
Adios.
Bye!